Hi everyone, it's Teacher Genevie again. We're going to have a science experiment for today, and we're gonna use these 4 glass jars and make different musical sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started! We will be needing glass jars, metal spoon, and food coloring. Now, let's use the metal spoon and tap each jar. If you listen carefully, the sound is just the same for each jar. Now we're going to take some water, put in each jar, but in different level. We add food coloring just to see that each jar has different amount of water. As you can see, the water level in each jar is different. And now let's use the metal spoon and tap each jar and listen to the sound. If you listen carefully, you could hear that the sound is slightly different. Let's listen again. Can you guess why each jar makes a different musical sound? It's because when we hit the jar with a spoon, the glass vibrates, and this vibration makes the sound. And the more something vibrates, the higher the sound will be. In addition, the more water there is in the jar, the less it will vibrate. That means a jar filled with less water will produce a higher sound, and a jar filled with more water will produce a lower sound. I hope you enjoy our science experiment!